Thanksgiving is right around the corner. With this hair right here, I ain't cooking nothing. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHon. Today's video is brought to you by RPGHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her tea today because listen, we serving mocha spice and everything nice. Look. Oh, wait a minute. Your girl got a little scratch in her throat, so you know, I'm sipping on my tea. So no wine for me today, but you can go ahead and sip it up for me. Thank you. Now before we get into this install, just know your girl did something different with her curls. I used my flat irons today. It's not so much a tutorial as it is me trying it for the first time. So I can't teach you if I'm just now learning. So we're gonna do a tutorial another time, but y'all gonna see how I styled my unit up real quick and easy so that maybe you wanna try it on your wig or your hair, whatever you wanna do, okay? But before I show you guys how I got this unit from A to Slay, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a 5x5 closure wig, kinky straight bob, 10 inches. Okay, so right at the shoulders. I like that. I like that. This weather is kind of bipolar, okay? It's cold one day, warm the next. It's cold in the morning, hot in the evening. I can't keep up. So bob me, please. Bob. I'm gonna use my Mocha 360 powder to tint my lace. I don't got that much to tint because again, it's only a 5x5, so that means it's only covering this part with lace, okay? The rest of this on the side is track. But with the 5x5, you can still do the free parting in the front. So left, right, middle, whatever you want to do. If you don't have edges, you can definitely turn your wig to the side and get some more coverage with that lace on the side. Make that blend happen. The wig doesn't come with a strong chemical smell, so I don't feel like I need to wash it today. But for you wash your wig. When you wash a kinky straight texture, it will swell after the wash. So you will need to go in with your blow dryer brush or your blow dryer and a brush and brush through the hair to sleek it out a little bit more. Even though the smell is not, you know, strong, I still want to give it a little whole bath. Okay, dry shampoo and water. This spray acting real funky. Did I get a defective one? Goodness. Work that in the hair. The unit does come with the adjustable elastic band. It also has the piano keys placement in the wig, so you can put your elastic band wherever you need to around your ear. Sometimes if you put it too close to your ear, it'll buckle it down and have you looking like this. The little how you doing? We don't like that, okay? Especially because I wear glasses, I need mine to sit back. Get back off my ear. I took off my adjustable straps. Let me get my band down. Get your band down. Get your band down. Let me get a little tea. Hold up. I'm gonna shift my wig a little bit more to the right side so I can get a little bit more coverage on my side over here. Since this side is going to be down, it will change up the length of your wig if you do that. Mine didn't change it up that much, so I ain't too worried about it. They didn't send me no clips. Matter of fact, they ain't send me nothing. They just gave me the wig and the bag. They said, look, it's already cheap. Here. Don't want to pull any hair out. Let's just take out some in the front. Pull that out and pull that out. I think that's all I need to do. Now I'm gonna cut off my lace. I'm gonna cut it in two because it's not that much lace to cut off. And I'm just gonna use my razor and follow the hairline. Wait, where's the lace? Let me make sure I don't cut into my hairline. Use my mousse, Nairobi mousse. I'm gonna use it to melt my lace. May need to trim some of the hairs in the front. I don't feel like it's gonna stay the way that I want. I'm gonna have to keep, you know, moving it. If I loosen my band, maybe it'll work, but I just want some security. So I make sure that's where I want it. Use my melt spray, and I'm gonna spray it right here in the front. Blow dry that on cool and high. Do y'all see that? Okay. Now I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush on high, and I'm gonna sleek out this hair a little bit.
Hello, what are you doing?
Just part the hair over. I saw a tutorial on this, on how to use your flat iron to curl your hair. And I heard that when you use your flat iron, those curls last a little bit longer than a curling iron. I don't know how true that is because, again, they're both hot tools, so I would think it's the same thing, but you know, we're gonna see. We're gonna try. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna bump it like that. Ooh, that's a hard bump. That's a hard bump. Let me relax that a little bit. I'm pretty much just putting curls all over. So she said, you just put it in like that. And you just turn it and pull it down. Like that. That's cute. So, hold up. So you wrap it around like this. That's not right. What did she say? I'm gonna have to look at that tutorial again because I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, child. I'm not getting the flick of the wrist right. So we're just gonna do it how I know it. I'm gonna turn it as if I'm curling the with a curling iron. That works for me. Obviously, it is a lot easier to curl it off your head because you can see the back. But y'all can see this is my hair, so we're gonna curl it on my head. Okay, curls are in. Brush the front. Hold up, I got a little bit too much right here in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of makeup and then we'll come back and finish up the styling for this unit. All right, bring it back. Let me see how I want my bang to sit. I think I want this little action like this. Let me put a little bit of grease right here on the top because these flyaways are trifling. Oh, that's too much. I don't want it to be shiny. It's right here to lay those down. I want to make sure this is going to hold up in the front. So I'm going to use a little bit of my TRESemmé Extra Hold Hairspray right up in here. I told y'all this is a kinky straight, so the curls may fall, but I feel like once these curls fall, it'll give me a little bump. So I ain't too worried about them falling, to be honest. This is pretty much all one length, so you don't get any type of layer in the 10-inch. So if you need to cut anything, then you can go ahead and do that for yourself. Put a little bit of edge control on the side. Use whatever edge control you want. I just need a little bit right there just to get my edges under control. Hold up, this is too long right here, so let me just cut that off. The rest of this is optional, so you can stop wherever you are happy with your look. I'm gonna use a little bit of my knot eraser. Use this one right here, mix with this one, just to kind of brighten that up a bit. That's really bright, so now I gotta fix it. Dang it. I'm using the darker shade to color correct. I misjudged that. Just flatten the part out. I don't like that swoop. That swoop is not what I want. I'm gonna use a little bit of my hairspray again to finish it off, and I think that is it. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. With this hair right here, I ain't cooking nothing. I'll bring the wine though. Okay, but just understand that I'm taking it with me. I got some more stops to make. Let me just come up close real quick and show y'all my hairline. Y'all see right here it was a little ashy because of what I did to my lace. So let me just use a little contour. Ugh, not too much. But this is how the hairline is looking. Okay, a closure wig, not bad at all. The hair is looking real healthy. Ooh, this is me. This is me. This little bad boy right here. Like I said, my curls will eventually fall. As soon as that moisture in the air hits it, it's going to fall right out. But I think I'll still have like a little bump to my wig, so you know, I'm all for that. If you want to wrap your wig, you can definitely do that. Y'all have seen me wrap my wig numerous times. If you haven't, I will put a video down below so you can check that out. But this little wavy situation that I got going on right now is real cute. I like it, and if you happen to like it as much as I do, go ahead and get the... And I don't know if they have a coupon code for this one because you know it is priced nice, but they do have Afterpay. So paying for about $32, Yeah, so get in where your pockets fit in. You hear me? The body is looking good, I'm looking good. I don't wanna move it too much, I don't want my curls to fall, but I'm gonna do a little shake. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to RPGHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.